Have you ever wondered your computer is like a giant playground full of exciting games, learning tools, and even ways to connect with friends and family? But just like any playground needs a friendly guide, your computer needs something called an operating system. And guess what? Windows 10 is one of the most popular operating systems around, and it's ready to be your guide on this amazing digital adventure. An operating system is a set of special programs that tells the other parts of the computer what to do. It's a kind of software that helps the computer's hardware and software work together. Some other examples of operating systems are Linux, Unix, Android, and Solaris. Windows 10 is known for its user-friendly graphical user interface (GUI). This means you interact with your computer using pictures and icons instead of typing commands. Without it, you cannot even start a computer or work on it. Windows 11 is the latest version of the Windows operating system. Desktop. After switching on the computer, the Windows operating system is the first screen that gets loaded on the monitor. It starts loading the computer's memory. This process is called booting. After booting you, the first screen that appears on the monitor is the main screen, called the desktop. The desktop has many components like an icon is like a tiny picture of a program or file. When you click on it, the program or file will open or start running. Taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar that stretches across the bottom of the desktop. It is an important component of the desktop. It has a start button, open programs, and a notification area. Start button. It provides access to every program installed in your system. It is also known as Start menu. It is found on the bottom left part of the taskbar. Open programs. These are the programs that are currently running on your screen or in the background. It is found in the center of the taskbar. Notification bar. It contains icons like battery, Wi-Fi, volume, clock and calendar, action center and an upward arrow which contains hidden icons. It is located at the bottom right part of the taskbar. It provides status about the updates, network connectivity, etc. Selecting and deselecting an icon. To select an icon, click once on it and it gets selected. It gets highlighted. Selecting adjacent icons. To select adjacent icons, 1. Click on the first icon you want to select. 2. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. 3. While holding down the Shift key, click on the last icon you want to select. Now, all the icons between the first and last ones you clicked will be selected together. Selecting non-adjacent icons. To select non-adjacent icons, 1. Click on the first icon you want to select. 2. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard. 3. While holding down the Control key, click on each additional icon you want to select. Now, you should have multiple icons selected, even if they are not right next to each other. Opening an application. Right-click on the selected icon and choose Open option. The application window will open. Pinning and unpinning tiles. Pinning and unpinning tiles in Windows 10 refers to customizing the Start menu by adding or removing tiles for quick access to apps and features. Follow the steps for pinning and unpinning tiles in Windows 10. To pin a tile, follow the steps. 1. Click on the Start button or press the window key on the keyboard. To locate the application you want to pin and right-click on it. 3. From the context menu, select Pin to start. This action will add a tile for that app to the Start menu. For example, we will pin Clock Program. Resizing tile. You can resize tiles on the Start menu by right-clicking on the tile and selecting a size option from the Resize menu. Organizing tile. You can organize tiles by dragging and dropping them to different positions on the Start menu. Task View. Task View in Windows 10 is a feature that allows users to see all their open windows, making it easier to switch between tasks. Follow the steps to access Task View. Click on the Task View button on the taskbar. It looks like a rectangle with multiple rectangles inside it, or press the Windows key tab on your keyboard. Window Snapping. Snap is a feature in Windows that allows you to easily organize and manage open windows on your desktop. You can make a window go to one side, the top, or a corner of the screen easily. This way, you can see and work with different things at the same time. Control Panel. The control panel is like a command center for your computer. It's a special place where you can change and adjust different settings to make your computer work just the way you like it. You can do things like changing the background picture, adjusting the volume, etc. To open Control Panel, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Start button to select Control Panel.